Hey y'all, it's your girl Asia and I'm back with another video. As you can tell from the title, today I was doing some faux locks on myself. I started with my hair blow dried already. I used my Revier blow dryer. You guys know I love that thing. Best purchase I've ever made. So I started on blow dried hair, and what I did was I did individual braids all over in the front, and then I'm going to braid them back into the rest of my hair. So here's what the individuals in the front looked like. Like I said, I just parted my hair and did kind of like box braids so I can give the natural look when I crochet the locks into my hair. So after I've done that, what I did was I took the individuals and then I braided it back into the rest of the hair. I braided it all the way down, and then as I went into the next braid, I grabbed the previous braid so that I didn't have all the hanging ends at the end. So I would be left with one piece in the end so I can easily tuck that and then crochet the hair. This is a pretty common braid pattern for crochet, so I won't bore you with too many of the details. It's pretty easy to follow. Alright, so this is the finished product. As you can still see the parts, so I can get that natural look, and then the back is really just kind of a throwaway. And as you can see, we have that one braid left over that can easily be tucked before I start to do the crochet. Alright, so now let's get into the hair. So I'm using the brand Toyotress, and here's what the packaging is looking like. Nice, neat packaging. And then it came with 8 packs of hair, I believe, 7 or 8, and then each pack had 10 locks in there. And then it also came with the crochet hook, so I didn't have to worry about buying that from the beauty supply store or anything like that. It actually came with 2 hooks, so that small wooden hook and then the classic crochet hook with the latch. So I didn't personally use the small wooden hook, and I really don't know what it's for, so I just used the original, so what I'm used to. And then here is what the hairs look like. It's the distressed style, and then I got it in an ombre color, so a little bit of blonde at the end, and I love the color, by the way. Okay, I did want to mention that you see that the 2 parts in the middle, I kind of combined into one braid, one big braid in the middle. I will say I don't recommend anyone doing that. If you're going to combine 2 of the braids, then I would say do it on the side, just so you have that flexibility in doing a middle part or anything like that. It wasn't a big deal to me because I only did side parts, but if you want to do a middle part, then I don't recommend combining the 2 parts in the middle. But yeah, so you see me here just looping that one braid that I have left over underneath all my other braids so that I can get it out of the way before I start to crochet. Alright, so this was my first lock. The hook went under my braid pretty easily, but when I looped the lock onto it and tried to pull it through, I was struggling a little bit. I noticed that maybe my braids were a little too close to the scalp, and I didn't leave myself enough room to pull the thick lock through. So as I went on, I kind of I went away from going underneath the braid, and instead I just went kind of in between, and like I didn't really care about the parts that I made anymore because my braids were so tight and I didn't want it to like pull out my hair or anything like that. So note for anybody trying to do this style, make sure you leave yourself a little room to pull the locks through. And I learned that the hard way. Alright guys, so this was the final look. I absolutely loved this hairstyle. It was so very cute on me. I love how short the locks are. Like I said, I got the 10 inches. I'm so glad I didn't go long. I love the short look and I love the color of it. It's just great. And then I also love the distressed look. So I highly recommend this brand, Toyotress, for your lock needs, your crochet lock needs. And I will link where I got this hair in my bio or in the description box, whatever, and then you guys can check it out for yourself because I loved it and it came with everything you need. You don't need to go to the beauty supply store. What more can you ask for? So yeah, and then you see me here just playing with it, seeing different styles. I already mentioned my parting issue, but yeah, it was so nice. Like, I loved this style and I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye.